Excuse me, can I help you?
I don't know, can you?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Detective Chief Inspector Thomas from the homicide team. And you are?
VC Collins, sir.
What the hell's going on? Anything else?
Yeah, initial house to house, discovered a man. Neil Seeley at number 47 across the road. Saw a couple of lads hanging around the streets 3 days ago. They appeared at Irene's front door, knocked, rang the
Beat, and his speech was slurred. Upon approaching him, I smelled this horrible smell of alcohol. I arrested him at 6:30, which he replied, "Fuck you and your fucking mother." He then
Action.
What have we got?
who you refuse to identify. Do you know how bad that looks for you?
But as previously stated, my client will be answering no comment to all questions asked of him.
7 p.m. Ms. Briggs, have you had sufficient time to consult with your client?
It's Mrs. Briggs, actually, and for the record, I felt that the pre-interview disclosure was insufficient, and whilst my client has prepared a statement, he'll be answering no comment to any further questions.
Very well. Before we ask you any questions, I have to point out that you are now under caution. That was 3 days ago, in the front garden of her parents' house. To date, we've received hundreds of inquiries in the incident room, which are still being followed up on. As you know, there was a vehicle of interest circulated at the time of the disappearance.